Hello students, welcome to St. Joseph online classes. I am your maths teacher Shraddha and today we will learn chapter first, integers. Before starting this chapter, we will learn some basic concepts. You have learned these concepts in your previous classes too. So we remind these and then we move to the chapter. So let's start. Natural number. The set of positive numbers are called natural number. In simple way we can say that counting numbers are called natural numbers. The next, whole number. The set of 0 and positive numbers are whole numbers. Then we go to the chapter integers. Integers are a collection of numbers which contains whole number and negative numbers. So firstly we will write whole numbers. Look at these are whole numbers and then negative numbers. Now represent integers on a number line. For this, firstly we will draw a line. AB. Here 0 is its center. Its right side we take all the positive integers. In its left hand side we take negative integers. Here negative numbers and then here positive numbers. On the number line, negative numbers always less than 0. Any negative number less than 0. Negative numbers less than positive numbers too. Negative numbers less than positive number 2. So we can say that positive numbers are bigger than negative numbers. And the next one is positive numbers are always bigger than 0. Negative numbers are smaller than positive numbers. For understanding these, we will write some numbers in ascending order. Ascending order. For writing in ascending order, firstly we will mark some numbers on the number line. Suppose -5, then -2. We will take 0 and then 1 and 4. We have some marks number here. So we write these numbers in ascending order. As you have learned in your previous classes, ascending orders means arrange numbers from smaller to greatest, smallest to greatest number. So as we have learned here, negative numbers are less than 0 and negative numbers are less than positive numbers. So we start writing ascending orders from negative numbers. Okay, so we marked firstly minus 5. Then look at here, minus 2. Then 0, 1 and 4. 0, 1 and 4. As well as we write these in descending order. So we goes right to left. When we have choose to writing in ascending order, we come from left to right. In descending order, we goes right to left. So our first marked number is 4, then 1, then 0, then minus 2 and last one minus 5. Now we will draw another number line AB, mark positive and negative integer here. And then learn some statements according to this. When we add a positive integer, we goes to the right hand side. We goes to the right hand side. And we add a negative integer, we goes to the left hand side. Similarly, when we subtract any positive integer, we goes to left hand, and when we subtract any negative integer, then goes to right side. We learn this by an example. Suppose we have a number 1. We add a positive integer here, 4. So what we get on the number line? Look at here, first number we have 1. So we goes 0 to 1. And now we are adding here 4. So we goes to right hand side by 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So our final answer is 5. Taking in another example, suppose we have 2. So firstly we goes 0 to 2. And when we subtract a negative integer, minus 3. So when we add a negative integer, we goes left hand side by 3. 1, 2 and 3. So our final answer is minus 1. For 2 integers, we will learn some statements. Suppose we have 2 positive integers, 17 and 4. So what we get? When we add 2 positive integers, plus, 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 plus. So we get a positive integer. By an example, 17 and 4, we have 2 positive integers, and when we add these, 17 plus 4 is equals to 21. When we add 2 negative integer, minus minus plus. So we add both, but we put the bigger digit symbol. We add both, but we put bigger digit symbol. We add both and we put the bigger digit symbol. I write here so you understand well. We add both and place bigger digit symbol or sign. So by taking two negative integers minus 17 and minus 4. And when we add these, minus 17 plus minus minus. Now minus minus plus, so add both 21 and put the symbol of bigger digit is minus. Then next. When we add one positive integer and one negative integer, what we get? Look at here. We have a negative integer and a positive integer. And when we add these, firstly minus plus minus. So firstly we find the difference of both the integers. Difference is 13. And place the symbol of bigger sign. Here plus minus minus, so you find the difference, but it is necessary to place the symbol of bigger digit sign. Next one is, we will take some integer here and write here its additive integers. For that, suppose we have 10. Its additive integer is minus 10. Suppose we have 10 minus 10, so its additive integer is positive 10. Suppose we have 76. Its additive integer is minus 76. If we have minus 76, its additive integer is 76 only. So, in additive integer, positive become negative and negative become positive. I hope students you understand very well these statements which is related to integers. So try to solve some questions from exercise 1.1, and in our next video we will solve exercise 1.1. Till then, bye bye.